Hello, my name is Dr. Speaker Blower. In this video, I'm showing you a great tip about controlling the peaks of the drums without using limiters or compressors. So let's listen to this bit first. So you can see the drums go way loud. We can listen to the drums alone here. So they go really high. And this makes the whole track picking really high. So one way to do it is to use my first free VST plugin or a drive. You see the difference in value here without on. So you can get easily here 3 dBs, and I'm just using the plugin at its minimum. So this is TNT multiband, so you have high and low bands to work. This is a saturation distortion plugin, but this with 2 flavors. This one is the multiband. Again, much lower, much higher, 3 dBs at least. Of course, this does changes in sound. I would recommend, if you are going to use this tip, to have several plugins where to choose from, because they color the sound. If you want a cleaner sound, maybe a distortion plugin with very low settings, but you should try several and pick the best one. With no compression, no limiting, only small saturation amounts to keep the levels controlled. This technique is similar to the old school of recording to tape, where the tape does imprint some compression and saturation that reduces the peaks. So it reminds me of that era. So I hope this has been instructive and productive to you. I see you next time.